At Challenge Coins for Less, we take pride in crafting the finest quality custom challenge coins that honor and immortalize the moments they represent. But you may be wondering, what is a challenge coin? Broadly speaking, challenge coins are specially designed coins, usually marked with the emblem or imagery of a specific organization and carried by those associated with that organization. Beyond that, challenge coins can look like a coin or a medallion of any shape or size, plated in any metal, with or without colors. It's the meaning behind the token that makes it a challenge coin. The history of the challenge coin can be traced back ages, but its modern significance came about in the military in World War I. Since then, the tradition grew throughout military branches, even up to the President of the United States. And now the challenge coin tradition has been adopted by law enforcement, fire departments, businesses, government organizations, nonprofits, and more. Anyone can give a challenge coin. So why do we give challenge coins? Challenge coins are mementos. They may be created in recognition of an event, to honor an individual, or just as a keepsake. Challenge coins can be presented in a ceremony or fundraiser, as an award, or discreetly within a handshake. The recipient of a challenge coin may display their coin or carry it with them as a constant symbolic reminder. Order your own custom challenge coins today at challengecoinsforless.com.